Hey guys, I just got my order this week from Everyday Dose, so I'm gonna give it a try and I will let you guys know how I like it. If you didn't already know, Everyday Dose is a coffee substitute that has a mushroom blend, collagen proteins, and nootropics. So I am very excited to see how this goes. Stay tuned. Okay guys, Everyday Dose unboxing. So this is how it comes, nice little packaging. All right, here we go. Oh, it looks like a little recipe book. Pretty cool. Travel packet. The coffee, mushrooms, collagen, protein, nootropics. Cool. Sticker. Rechargeable cup there, like a travel cap, and you just charge it. It also